feels good in your hand. It's easy to manipulate with one hand. I can hang it on my pliers, go work fence, no big deal. Works good on field fence, woven wire, barbed wire. The wire tack created a very nice crimp. There's no gouges in any of the wire. That'll be there for a long time. So, you know, everybody's tried to tighten wire with their pliers. Pliers have sharp edges. Anytime you take a piece of wire and you twist it to tighten it, you're going to create a little gouge in that wire and it will break. So that's why we don't use pliers. So this tool was originally designed not for broken wire, but for loosened wire where a cow stuck her head through it, or some cows have maybe pushed on some wire. And very simple in its method. All the teeth are rounded on the edges. There's very little to go wrong with this tool. So let's go see how they perform in the field. Okay, so here we are. We got a piece of fence. This is a perfect example of what we deal with. This one's loose. I don't know if you can see it. This is a clip that normally holds the fence on. And this wire is very loose, and this one's a little loose too. This wire is old and pitted, so I didn't bring any clips, but I will use a piece of this wire and place on it, which will serve the same principle. So what you do, face them back out, and you would put your clip on to hold that fence in place up against the post, like such. Do the same on this one. What we do with a wire tie is you spread the jaws. I like to start next to the fence post and just give it a pull. Puts a nice little wrinkle in it. You see how much that tightened up? That's almost tightened up. I'm going to put another one in it. And you don't have to pull real hard. You just put those in there. If you're pulling real hard, something's not right, so stop and regroup and look to see what's wrong. But that's got a nice little crimp in it, and that wire's tight.